Hey guys, don't mind the background. It's just diggers and all that. So we're gonna be playing Rolling Sky again. Oh, let me just put that volume right down. I haven't done this in a while. So yeah, as you can see, I deleted the game. So everything's on 0. But I'm just gonna go right ahead into number 2. Well, I guess I can only do that by playing it once, so I guess you get to see this one. 3, 2, 1, let's go! I know what you're thinking, it's pretty standard, as you can see. Pretty standard, but I died anyway. So, yeah. As you can see, I keep dying. It's fine. Just got to complete 70% and then we can get the bonus. Yay. I can't get past this bit. Damn, why can't I do it? Thank you. Game. I know what you're screaming at me through the camera. Use the shield. Use the RC. Whatever. Which I'm going to do. This is very better. This is a lot better. As you can see, I am voice recording this. Let's see how far I do get it, cause I have swag. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I died. Nah, I'm gonna do it properly for you guys from the beginning. See, yeah, I know I'm using LC. Stop. I just needed to die for a second. Okay, now I'm gonna go do it back to the ball, cause gotta do it properly for you guys. And I failed at doing properly. Sorry, I'll shut up now. This is annoying me. How? I used to be so good at this. Okay, I guess I just need practice. Practice makes everything perfect. I guess not me. Well, as soon as I run out of balls, ha ha ha, laugh it up, internet. Well, we're gonna stop the video, so I need to hurry. So, 2 more and we're done. Sorry, I had to put the volume up. Background noise. Oh, I finally made it past that bit. Yay! I don't completely suck. They'll hate me. Oh, pro stats. 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 I still can't believe I made it here. Just 20 seconds ago, I couldn't get past the first bit. Come on, pro stats, pro stats. If I can complete it, come on, baby. Boom. And. Oh, completed the first level. Okay, that's all we got for today. And bye.